What up, YouTube? It's your boy Malacio, man. Wiz Constrictor's in the building again.
Check me out on OnlyFans.
Haters over here, B. Today we got 3 unboxings. Yes, 3. Wifey surprised me and got some. Damn, you shaking the camera? Surprised me and got some early Christmas presents for you, boy. From 3 different breeders. So, you know, let's get into it. But before that, you know what time it is, man. Hit that intro. All right, let's get it going. 3 packages. Hide that joint right there. 3 different reptile breeders. And let's get it going, man. You can see we in a different location. I came down here in the basement just so you know, quarantine reasons. So we're gonna start with the homie Garrick DeMeyer, because I'm mad excited about this boy. Packaging was great. Heat pack was still warm. Package was amazing. I got all his info right there. It's like my 3rd snake from nothing but quality comes out of there, man, as you about to see. Even though I kind of ruined it by showing the bag. Right there we got a Inchy albino, or albino Inchy, whatever you prefer. Here, let me adjust this light a little bit. There we go. Look at the colors on there, man. Those pinks, that pastel-y color. Of course it's, you know, yellow because it's an albino. Perfect eyes. Nice and bright. Nice and healthy looking. Let's see if we can get on the beast still and show that face. Cool little head stamp on there. That's definitely the Inchy head stamp coming through. So I got a albino Inchy female. Get this boy a few months to grow up here, and that's where he's going. So I can make some super Inchy albinos, hopefully. And that's a boy from, like I said, from Garrick DeMeyer, Royal Constrictor Designs. If you ain't already, you probably are, but if you ain't, go give the man a follow. So nice. Like I said, super healthy, nice clean belly. Super good. Excited about that. On to the next one. All right. On to snake number 2. This one right here is from, I guess you can call him a wholesaler, Dynasty Reptiles. I know they be having nice sales, man, so, you know. Let's see what we got. I mean, I know. I don't think y'all know, though. See that down in there? This right here is becoming one of my favorite genes in my collection. This is a Super Inchy GHI. See the Inchy yellows. See that inchy head stamp? Nice fat eye stripes. And then of course the GHI pattern. Come on, baby, straighten up. She's trying to be a ball python, but you see that GHI pattern? And it's a female. She also looks nice and healthy. Clean belly. So, you know, she'll never give me a normal, which is nice. I love that head stamp though. It looked like the spawn symbol almost. It's like flared out on both ends. Hold on, let me see if I can show y'all the whole thing. There we go. Or like almost like a Batman symbol maybe. Pretty dope. So yeah, super inchy, GHI, female. And you know where that's going. Right to the clown, boy. So on to the last one. And this one is the one that I'm actually the most excited about. Let's get that going. All right, man, and last, but certainly, absolutely not least, this female right here, literally gonna be worth their weight in gold around here. Get a glimpse of that in there. Can you see her? She wants to come out and say what's up. Let's get her out and introduce her to y'all. And this girl came from the homie Jeremy at Bow's Exotic Reptiles. I know he wanted to know that she made it safe and all that. And yes, sir. She is here and she is beautiful, my dude. Big shout out. Sticker. It's going right over there on that incubator. You know what I mean? And then this card right here lets you know what she is, in case you was wondering. Yes, sir. What we got right here is a super pastel Het DG possible cryptic. And if y'all know me, you know I'm hella excited about the boy Thanos that I got. That's a cryptic double Het DG Ultra Male. So you already know where this girl going, man. One and only. She's exclusive to my dude. I know. Enough talking. Let's show it. Let's see if I can set her down on this black so y'all could get a good look at her. Man, dude. That girl is insane. Insane. Super pastel. DG, or Het DG, possible cryptic. She don't look like the cryptic boy I got, unless it's Pos Het cryptic. Yeah, it's Pos Het cryptic, my bad. So she might be cryptic. So if I can get some cryptic DGs, man, come on, man. You already know what it's finna be, man. If I can get them, ain't nobody getting them, boy. They all staying at the crib. Check out that clean head. I think my light might be too bright. Hold on, let me move it. Seems a little better. Yeah, man, so big shout out to Jeremy, man. Once again, Bow's Exotic Reptiles. This girl right here gonna do amazing things for me, man. Like, hella excited about this one. And the craziest part is I didn't even know she was coming. Big shout out to Wifey for the early Christmas present, you know what I mean? So big shout out to Michelle. Love you, baby. But yeah, man, hella excited. Got some big things planned over here at Wisco. That being said, it's almost time for the boy MJ Trap Sock Sessions and the homie Jason from Going Youper giveaway show, game show. So I'm about to eat some, check them out. I ain't even gonna do no outro because I'm in awe right now. So yeah, y'all hit that like, share, subscribe, and all that. And you know I'm gonna keep you updated. Look at the blushing. I ain't even noticed the blushing on there. You know I'm gonna keep you updated on what's going on and what we got rocking over here, man. So, till the next time, y'all be easy. Peace.